How's it going, guys? Hope you're all doing well. Special hi to all the kids. I'm Isaiah Hwang, and in today's kids art class, I'm going to teach you how to draw a zombie from Minecraft. Oh, and before we get started, special hi to Jaden out in Washington. Hi, Jaden. All right, let's get into it.
Okay, so for us to draw zombie from Minecraft, all we're going to be doing is same thing as last week. We're just going to be drawing squares and rectangles. So the first thing we're going to be drawing is a straight line. So start right here, and we're going to do a small line. Okay, and then we're going to create a line at this angle. Okay, so this angle is really important because we're going to draw the rest of the squares at this angle too. So just make sure you keep the same angle. Okay, angle. So this line has to be the same as this line. So we'll come over here, draw it down, and then this line angle should be the same as this line angle. So we connect this. All right, and then we're going to create a line that goes from here to here. So this is also important too, because you guessed it, we have to be at the same angle. So the same angle here, right? And then on this side, we want to have the same angle. So keep the same angle. Okay, now here we want to go straight down because these lines are all straight down. So this needs to be the same. And then this line is the same angle. It's the same as this one. And now you kind of created a box, right? This is perfect. So now what we want to do is we want to draw the arms. So we want to come down halfway on this side, and we want to come out at the same angle as this one. So we come out this way, just a small little arm. And then we're going to follow this angle on this line. So come out. Okay. And then same thing on this side. Come out. And then see how this angle, we want to follow the same angle here. So you should have kind of a long rectangle, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to finish it off by going down. Same thing here, down. Same thing here, down. And then what we do is the same angle here, we put the same angle here. Then the same angle here, we put the same angle right here. So now you should have a square and a long rectangle. Okay, so right here, what I want you to do is I want you to imagine that this line comes from here and it goes all the way across to this side. So it's kind of invisible on the back end, right? You can't see it. But this line right here is what connects the shoulders of this guy. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this shape on this side, the same thing. So I like to start on this side right here. I like to come down. Okay. And then this line comes here and it goes all the way across. And it probably comes out a little bit, right? And then we want to bring the same thing down. Okay. And then we pull this across. And then we go same thing, down, down, right? And go down. And then we want to bring this line, same down here. So bring this line back. And this guy has a body, right? So his body starts right about here. So we just have this come down and then have this line come all the way till the end of this. So it looks like it's behind this guy's body, right? Okay. Now the body comes down. So we continue this line. Comes down a little bit, and then we follow this angle line. We do the same thing here. Okay, and then now we just go up. So maybe here, and we go up. Okay, and then this angle that we have here, we're going to do the same angle right here. Okay, and then we're just going to go all the way up. So go from here, go up. And then keep going up. Okay. And then now we're going to draw this guy's legs. So for the legs, get right in the middle, and I want you to come down this way. Okay. And then we're going to do the same line over here. this one, we're going to come this way, down. And I'm going to connect this same line right here, go down. And then right here, we're going to come down. So these should be the same. And then this angle is going to follow this angle right here. And this angle is going to follow this angle. And then this guy right here, we're going to do another line right in the front. And then we're going to do this angle like this. So this angle should be the same as this angle. And then you connect it. So you should have this basic shape right here, right? So then now we have to make the details, okay? So Zombie has a shirt, right? So his shirt is to be a sleeve. So this angle, same angle here, and then we come down. And then the same thing, follow this angle, come here, and then it goes down. Okay? And then I know that he has some shoes on, so that line goes there, that line goes there. Same thing for this one. This line goes here, this line goes here. You guys following along? Okay, and then now I know that he has these little squares on his knees. One goes there, and then the other one goes right here. And then I know he has a shirt that's ripped. So what you do is you're gonna go up, and then follow the same angle, and go up, and follow the same angle all the way back, and then go all the way back. So these lines should always be the same. And then on his front of his shirt, I think it's ripped too. So we go down, and this angle is this way, right? So we go this way, and then we go down. This will all make sense once we color it in. All right, so now for the fun part, let's do his face. So his face, his eyes are, you guessed it, rectangles. So down, down, and then follow this same angle. We can probably color this in. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Just get as close as you can. And on this one, go down, go across, go down, and go across. And then color this guy in too. And then he has a nose. So we come down this way, come down this way, and then we just connect it at the same angle. And he has a cool haircut. That goes like this. This way, so same angle, then it goes up, and it goes across, same angle, goes down, and then it goes across, same angle, then it goes down, and it goes across. So that's pretty much Zombie. But now we get to do the fun part. We get to color. So I picked some colors that would be really helpful for us. So we're gonna do a light green, like a middle green, and we're gonna do a dark green. So the lightest part should be on the top. So this top, this top, this top. The middle green should be here, here, here. The dark should be here, here, and here. So let me draw the first one. This should be the lightest green. So if you have different crayons, it's totally fine. If you only have one crayon, that's okay too, because you know what you could do is you could do one side really lightly, and then where there's a middle green, you could do that a little bit heavier with more pressure. And then when you want it really dark, you can push really, really hard on the crayon and make it dark, like this. But I'm using 3 different colors. But it's totally cool what you guys want to do. So we can make it look like that. And I know that doesn't look like it yet, but once we get all the different colors in, it'll look awesome. So the light green, middle green. Yeah, so I was wondering, for Halloween, what are you guys gonna dress up as? It's gonna be kind of a weird Halloween this year, right? But hopefully you guys can have some fun. You guys can dress up in some cool costumes. I think I saw somewhere that somebody actually has a costume of Steve from Minecraft. So maybe next week I'll draw Steve from Minecraft. That'll be kind of fun. What do you guys think? Do you think that'll be fun? All right. And then let's do his face. This light green color. Maybe we'll keep his nose a different color. Maybe the middle green color. This part right here, middle green. And his hair should be middle green. Let's do this middle green. Oh wait, this is supposed to be light green. And if you guys mess up, it's totally cool. Because I think I kind of messed up a little bit on the face, but you know what? It's okay. You can do whatever you like. Make this side the dark green. Maybe I should make this darker green. This face should be a little bit darker green. See, the cool thing about crayons, you can just keep adding to it and make more colors. That's totally fine. All right. Now let's make his shirt. So his shirt is light blue on this side and a darker blue on this side. So color this a lighter blue. Of his shirt. This part is a lighter blue. And this front of this shirt right here is a lighter blue. And then don't forget this bottom part. This connects. And then we do the dark blues. I like this color. This is really nice and blue. It's a really nice dark blue. What do you guys think? It's a pretty good blue. And then we color this side. This part too. All right, that looks pretty cool. And then now we're gonna do the purple of this guy's pants. So the front is like a light purple. And this front part is like a light purple. Do you ever wonder what kind of sound these guys make? Probably make a crazy, scary sound. I don't like scary sounds. I bet you don't like scary sounds either. Alright, now let's do the dark purple. And if we look at it and we're like, man, this is too light, we can just color it in a little bit more. Right? Oh, that looks better. Maybe we should color this in a little bit more. It has a nicer color that way. But it's all up to you. However you want to draw or color, totally cool, up to you. There's not a wrong way to do it. Just have fun. That's the important part. It's just having fun when we draw and when we color. It's to have fun, to be creative, use your imagination. It's the best part of drawing is to have your imagination. Just draw whatever comes to your mind, whatever you like. If you like Minecraft, then you draw Minecraft. If you like comic books, then you draw comic book characters. If you like sports, you can draw, basketball figures, and you can draw people, running and jumping, and maybe you want to draw a nice picture for your family. That's always nice too, right? It's just pretty much up to you how you guys want to do it. So let's do a little light gray. Darker, and then this one I'm going to do dark because this is the bottom of his foot, and there's a shadow down here. So that's it. Oh wait, I forgot one thing. Oops, this should be the dark purple, and there you have it. That is Zombie from Minecraft. And don't forget, happy Halloween. Stay safe. Have fun.
Well, that was Zombie from Minecraft. I hope you guys had a good time, kids. And until next week, I hope you have an awesome Halloween. Please stay safe. And until next time, let your light shine. Bye.